Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome you all in English class. I hope you will be in good health. May Allah keep you safe and healthy. Dear students, I hope that you in previous lecture you have understood unit number 1, that was about friends. It was a lecture, it was a poem about the natural objects which are considered by the poet as our friends. So the description is given to you that we are in touch, we are very much in love with natural beauties like mountains, rivers, lakes, sky, blue sky, and all that natural objects around us are our real friends. Each and every line has been discussed with you in previous lecture. Okay, now Betty, it is turn of work from home. On your screen you can see some tasks that you are supposed to do in your English notebook. Here are some questions, accordingly you have to attempt them. In previous lecture, I have told you that you people have to prepare the title page for unit number 1. I hope you people have done the course contents of English A and B, and you people have already prepared the title page for unit number 1, that is friends. You can make the sketch over it, and it should be double-sided shaded, and all the letters will be written with marker in capital letters. Okay. After doing this, on the same page, on the back side of the same page, you people are supposed to write the headings of work from home, as you can see on your screen. You have to shade them all that letters in from both the sides. Okay. After this, in the same notebook you are supposed to attempt question number 1. On your screen you can see that question number 1 is make sentences of the following words, and pattern is given to you. After giving the heading of question number 1, write the question and write the words. One line will be used for writing the word, and then next line will be used for making them, for using them in the sentence. 5 words are given to them. Number 1 is few, number 2 is tiny, number 3 is kind, number 4 is square, and number 5 is honest. So you people are supposed to use all these words in your sentences. Keep one thing in your mind, that your sentences should be simple, easy, understandable and clear. Okay, no need to make lengthy and difficult sentences. Simple words should be used for making the words in your sentences. Okay, now it is the turn that question number 2 will be attempted. Question number 2 is write second and third form of the given verbs. Okay, you people have practiced the same question in class 4 as well. You know well how to attempt this question. Here some verbs are given to you that their second and third form are required to write. Okay, here number 1 is eat, number 2 is shut, number 3 verb is take, number 4 is hear, and number 5 is see. For this question you people have to divide the page in 3 blocks. Like on your screen you can see, you can give the heading of first form. The forms which are given to you in question, you will write them, and then in second and third form heading will be given, and you are supposed to write the second and third form of the given verbs. Okay, now the third question which is given to you in your work from home, that is write an application to your principal for leave to attend your brother's marriage. On the next page you are supposed to give the heading of question number 3, then you are supposed to write the question. Then after leaving the line, you people have to follow the pattern which you can see on your screen. Same pattern will be followed for writing an application. Okay, here you can see the pattern, that is the principal, Peshawar Model High School 2, Dalazak Road, Peshawar, and punctuation marks are very much important for this writing pattern. For example, the principal, the T capital, P capital for principal, and then you are supposed to put comma over there with marker, blue marker. Okay, then P capital for Peshawar, M capital for model, and G capital for girls, H capital for high, S capital for school, and then number 2 will be written with marker, and after all these letters you are supposed to put a comma. Then Dalazak Road, D capital for Dalazak, R capital for road, and P capital for Peshawar. After Dalazak Road you are supposed to put a comma, and then after Peshawar you are supposed to put full stop with marker. Okay, then give the heading of subject. What should be the subject? The subject will be attending brother's marriage. Okay, like your brother is going to be married and you are supposed to have leave, and then in body of the application you will write the reason that from which date the marriage is starting, and if you are supposed to take how many leaves you will mention over there. Then after writing the body of the letter, one thing more, beta, you are supposed to write the class that I am, with due respect, it is stated that I am the student of class 5, and you are supposed to mention your section with marker, and 5A, B, C, whatever the section is, you people are supposed to write 5 in Roman, and then you have to mention the section as well. Then body of the letter application will be completed. Okay. Then after writing full application, like you have mentioned the reason, you have mentioned the dates, you are supposed to write therefore kindly, you are asking the leave from the principal. So therefore will be started with 2 finger gap, as you can see on your screen. Okay. After writing this pattern, you will write thanking you exact under the therefore. On your screen you can see thanking you, and then put a comma over there. Use obediently will be written with margin line, and then you will put a comma over there, and then you will mention your name, class, section, and date will be mentioned accordingly, that on which date you will be, you are supposed to you are not supposed to give the heading of name, class. Okay, only you will write directly, you will write your name, and directly you will mention your class and section, as it is a pattern. So I have written the name and class as well, and date. So you will directly write your name, class, section, and date will be written accordingly. On which date you are writing the application, you will mention the date of the same day. Okay. After attempting this question, you people are supposed to write the last question, that is a story. The question number 4 is write a story on the given moral, and the moral is given to you tit for tat. You will give the heading with marker, then you will write the question, then you will give the heading of title. But before starting any story, you are supposed to give the name to that story. For this moral, you will be having different stories, so you will have to select any one of them, then you will write the name of the same story. Then your story should be divided into 2 parts. First you will mention the first part, the first passage of the story. Then in the mid of the story, you are supposed to draw the sketch accordingly. Like on your screen you can see sketch will be drawn accordingly. If the story is about animals, you have to draw the related animals. If it is regarding a natural object, you will draw the natural object, and if they are related to the human features, so you will draw the human feature, but it should be neat and tidy. Okay, and then you will complete the rest of the story. The remaining story will be written after drawing the sketch. Okay, then after completing the last passage of the story, you will mention the moral heading will be given with capital letters, and beside the moral, from the next line you will have to write the moral. And here what is the moral? That is tit for tat. Keep one thing in your mind, that all your work will be neat, tidy, understandable, and very much excellent. Okay, and all the pages will be they will be drawn with double margin line, and after each question you will have to draw an ending line. Okay, beta. And one thing more, that some of the questions that you are supposed to make some words highlight, so you can use your marker for highlighting some letters. Like in application and story, you are supposed to use marker for highlighting some letters over there. Okay, and at the end, I hope that you people have understood what I have said about the work from home. All questions will be done very neat and tidy, and all they are discussed in detail. So you people have to do it with completely, and you have to do it excellently. Okay, so I hope that you people have understood. I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much.